How are you doing today? Everything
I'm
good?
doing
Fine? That's great. And have you completed the homework which I gave you?
no, sir. I'm not able to make the sentence. I don't have any in my mind how to make sentence.
Okay, how about okay, we will do it later. Like I will give you some hint, and before giving those hints, I will make sure that you practice some conversations. So that will give you an idea how to make the sentences. All right, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, so we do have a topic today, celebrities. Would you like to discuss it?
Yes, sir. I would like to discuss it.
Okay, let's go ahead with the topic. So, do you know what a celebrity is? What kind of person we consider a celebrity?
Sir, I don't know what is that called.
Okay, do you know any actor, like, or maybe an actress?
No,
Do you
ma'am.
have any favorite?
No, sir. I
Oh,
don't like.
wait, really? Haven't you watched any movie? Like, there must be someone you like, right?
No, sir. I don't like.
Okay. What about a dancer or maybe a sportsman?
No, sir. I don't like them.
Ah, okay, final. A singer. Do you have any favorite singer of yours? It can be a male or
No.
female, whatever. Ah, oh God, seriously. Okay, I will tell you. Celebrity is, that sort of person which is considered quite popular in their respective field. It can be an actor, it can be a singer, it can be a sportsman, it can be, a dancer or related to any profession. It might be even a politician. Okay, for example, do you know who is the prime minister of our country?
Narendra Modi.
Yeah. So we can consider him a celebrity because he is very famous, in fact, super famous in his field. He's literally the prime minister. There isn't any minister above. Oh, okay. There is no one above his position. Like we do technically have the post of president, but he's the most powerful guy if we are talking about the, power in country. So, what do you think about? Can there be any other profession in which you can find a celebrity?
Sir, I don't like any of them. But
Mm-hmm.
I think Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi.
Okay. So you like the guy, I mean the Prime Minister of India, but you don't like any other person, right?
That's right, sir.
Mm-hmm. What exactly you like about him? Is there any quality? Or it can be anything, like people do like without even qualities. So yeah. What do you like about
Because
our Prime Minister?
he's the Prime Minister of the India, he has
Mm-hmm.
a big house.
Mm-hmm. A big
And
house, well, yeah, that's true. And a lot of powers. He can literally, do anything. Not about the impossible stuff. Well, like whatever a human can do, it's possible for him. For example, taking big decisions regarding the whole country. Right. So, what's your opinion regarding like if you see the people who are famous, celebrities, they don't really have kind of freedom to roam in public without any worry, and they have to deal with a lot of things like they need to somehow secure their own privacy from their own fans. So do you have any opinion regarding that? Like, if you do have, you can just tell. Although I don't really expect you to go in deep because you're just a kid.
Sir,
Did you understand the question?
No, sir, I do not understand the question.
By practicing some sentences, I would like you. Oops, just give me a second. It's really hard to do with both hands. Could you have a look at your chat box? I sent you some sentences.
Yes, sir. So fill it with is.
Yeah. Just read the first sentence. Like here, we will be practicing these, and you have to fill the right word in the gap. Those are is and are. I have already told you, like they will be, either they will be acting as a helping verb or they will act as a main verb. When they will be acting as main verb, we call them linking verb. Is most of the time it is used with, like, not most of the time, it is always used with the singular subject. Okay, for example, if I say a name of person, let it be Rohan. Rohan is just one person. So if we have to form a sentence with the verbs out of these three, is and are, we will use is, because Rohan is a singular person. Okay? So
okay, sir.
Just read the first sentence for me.
Tom dash CA